It's difficult to imagine what life in Elk Grove would be like without parks, trails, and open space. Our nearly 100 parks, ranging from small, half-acre neighborhood parks to the 122-acre Elk Grove Park, are an essential part of our community. Elk Grove parks offer a diverse mix of playgrounds, sports fields, picnic areas, lakes, water play, trails, natural open space, and a 9-hole golf course. It may come as a surprise that our local parks and recreational facilities are maintained by a special district. An independent public agency known as the Cosumnes Community Services District, or Cosumnes CSD, is primarily responsible for park planning, construction, and maintenance. Cosumnes CSD relies on 2 different funding sources to build and maintain these community assets. Money for park construction typically comes from a combination of impact fees and Quimby in lieu fees paid by developers when they build new housing. Money for ongoing park maintenance comes from property owners who pay an annual landscape and lighting assessment, which appears as a separate line item on their property tax bill. These property owners receive a special benefit from the well-maintained parks, trails, and open spaces that are funded by the landscape and lighting assessment. Cosumnes CSD is divided into 13 L&L assessment districts, known as benefit zones. Property owners in each benefit zone must approve an L&L assessment through a vote-by-mail ballot proceeding before it can be levied. Any increase to an existing L&L assessment must also be approved by the affected property owners. Because there are different numbers of homes and parks in each benefit zone, the amount of the L&L assessment varies. At present, L&L assessments vary from $91 to $455 per single-family household per year. Today, Cosumnes CSD is working with residents and community leaders on long-term funding sustainability to maintain our parks and trails. Our goal is to continue Elk Grove's reputation for exceptional, well-maintained parks that are a vital part of our local quality of life.
We know that residents enjoy their parks, but we also know that businesses are attracted to areas with well-maintained parks. New residents are attracted to areas with well-maintained parks.
It gives us an opportunity to escape our own backyards and go somewhere else and enjoy all that the nature has to offer here in Elk Grove. It's kind of like our extended backyard.
We encourage neighbors to come out, be present in their park space, be present with their neighbors in those park spaces, build relationships in the community that help strengthen community and creating healthier neighborhoods through interactions with each other.
To learn more, go to yourcsd.com.